What if you held a sneeze in on purpose? Your body builds pressure to violently eject irritants fast, so you clamp your nose and mouth completely shut. But the pressure has nowhere safe to escape, so it blasts backward through your sinuses and throat. Tiny blood vessels in your eyes or nose can rupture, but the pressure can also hit your eardrums hard. In rare cases, air gets forced into your neck, until swallowing, talking, or breathing suddenly feels painful. A sneeze is a safety release valve, not something to block.